And in terms of some of the airlines and the effects, I mean, Delta's probably the least affected, but I think when you look at Southwest and you look at some of the reactions today of some of these airlines, the fact that they actually moved into the green, that's pretty impressive. It tells you that people are at least somewhat comfortable with the idea of where this goes. Even though there's a lot of unknowns, it seems like the public didn't want to just completely exit and leave. It seems like they're seeing that there is value here still for the Uniteds of the world, the Deltas of the world, and Southwest.
To Southwest, who has the biggest exposure.
Yes.
We're talking about their entire fleet is probably close to 800 planes.
It's 6% of the hours
flown.
Right,
and it's 5% of these planes make up their fleet. So 34, I think, of these planes are going to be taken out of service, which is obviously is a big deal, but we're not talking about a catastrophic number of planes taking out of service. So you look at what Southwest has done. It's moved from 58 down to 50.5, 51. Traded well today. Tim can speak of valuation, 9 times forward earnings. And you ask yourself, did this sell-off create an opportunity? I think the answer is yes.
Let me speak to valuation on forward earnings. And you know, I tell you what, Delta is below 9. And so here's what I would say. I mean, we're talking about value, and the analysts talked a little bit about some of the dynamics. Look, the sector, to me, trades like there's a major problem going on. In fact, I think these planes are ultimately ridiculously cheap relative to the economy, relative to the improvements and the efficiencies they've put through. If you've been trading airlines for the last 5 years, you've had enormous opportunities to trade the range, but effectively, you've gone nowhere. Delta, to me, is the best of the breed, and I stay long.
I agree. Even though they're cyclical, I mean, they're already reflecting the slowdown.